So I'm in an Indian restaurant. I got butter chicken and bread. Butter chicken. $14 and bread. Plain naan. Free. Altogether 17. 3.50. 3.5 euro, maybe £3. You don't expect knife here, okay? They don't provide knives. Maybe safety reason. But the bread is a lot of bread. When you are like more people, that's ideal because everybody got plate. Everybody can choose different food, and then you just pick up taste from everybody. That's how it is done. That's what is amazing about these restaurants. So enjoy it. Takže tu máme butter chicken, maslové kura. Nie som si istý s kostiami, ale budem si dávať pozor. 14 malajsijských, čo to majú? Ringgit a chleba, that's a plain naan, čistý chleba. V podstate 3,60 centov. Takže dneska si dám nejaké karbohydráty, ale nie rýžu. Niečo, čo normálne nemôžem mať čerstvé. Takže prvé zahryznutie, first bite. And it is spicy. It is spicy, but looks like when you combine with bread or rice, it's gonna be just fine. So people normally eating here, Indians, normally people, they get a reward for that from the God probably. So they normally eat it with fingers, don't expect knives, but you see they get forks, spoons. Yeah, if you combine this with rice, it's gonna be just fine. I am after meat so much, but I can't eat it. It's too spicy for me, so I have to get something. So instead of rice, I'm getting bread. Takže pre mňa, ja by som najradšej jedol len mäso, ale teda do večera to nejak vybehám a vyplávam, takže si to dávam s týmto chlebom, aby sa to lepšie jedlo. Keď vidíte tieto čierne prípečence na chlebe, tak v podstate mne to dáva celkom dobrú chuť. Nemusíte to čistiť, v podstate to pridáva slušnú chuť. A vyskúšajte, keď toho nezjete akože veľa, trošku, v podstate je to aj korenie. V podstate to nevyzerá taká veľká. Ale je toho dosť veľa. Si pamätám, keď sme boli naposledy v tureckej reštaurácii, každý mal niečo takéto, takúto misku, rôzne druhy mäsa. A každý si v podstate typoval, pretože sme nevedeli, čo to je. A každý si nakoniec dal, čo mu najviac chutilo. So, I remember when I was with family in Turkish restaurant, everybody pick up something like this. It doesn't look so big, but basically we got 6 of these and everybody will try because we didn't have clue what it is. So it's not the best thing to take just one kind. If there are more people, try everything. And this is gonna be even enough for 2 people. In my case, if there is somebody who really like rice. Also, big advantage of this is that it will keep the basically hot temperature. So you put a little bit on your plate, eat, then you got another hot. Takže toto je veľká výhoda, že toto si udržuje teplotu. Vysokú teplotu, keď to máte takto. Napriek tomu, že teda je to kov, ale naozaj to páli. Čo som si všimol, toto v tomto je v podstate pelendrek, licorice. So I bite in it, it really tastes like licorice. He just took menu from me. Thank you very much. And this place is very close to, basically if I turn right here, 50 meters and I will be on that square where they were selling fruits. So if you want to find it. Also if I go left, the first left is a very small street which will bring you straight away to a new central where I exchange money. Takže ak pôjdete doprava, možno 50 metrov, tam budete mať to námestíčko, kde bolo to ovocie. A doľava prvá tenká ulička v podstate vás privedie do NU Central. To miesto, kde som si vymenil peniaze. Not sure about that licorice. It's a little bit chewy. It's like wood, some kind of wood, but juicy wood. So I just want to remind you, the water I got automatically free, and this food is easily for two, so you can just buy this and two breads, rice and bread. It's really worthy, and meat seems to be boneless, so like in Slovakia. Takže mäso vyzerá byť bez kostí. Tento pelendrek, v podstate je to jakoby kôra, ale neviem z čoho to je, neviem či to je originál tak, jak to je. Ale v podstate je to šťavnaté, takže môže to byť niečo znútra, neviem, tak keď máte kôru a vnútri niečo šťavnaté. A určite toto by mohlo byť aj dobré pre dvoch, keď si dá niekto rýžu a extra chleba. Určite podľa mňa sa z toho dvaja nasytia, vidíte. Že som veľa toho nezjedol a čaká ma ťažká robota. Ako vidíte, celkom veľa je tam toho likorišu. Pelendreku, neviem presne, jak sa to nazýva. Ale vidíte, budem s tým bojovať. Keď máte deti, toto by bolo určite pre dvoch. Zatiaľ som našiel len malý kúsok 2 mm, neviem, či to je nejaké korenie. Ale hovorím, kosti tam asi není, so it doesn't look like without bones. Small piece. It can be bone, so be careful anyway. And don't forget, this place is close to the NU Central, so maybe this is not the lowest price. It's a kind of open space. I pop on the toilet at the beginning, in the corner. You can wash your hands, so people probably do that because they eat with hands. Toilet was nice, clean, not small. Takže tam v rohu som bol na záchode, vidíte. Môžete si tam umyť ruky, žiadny smrad. Nič extra moderné, ale v takomto štýle, no. Proste jedine sa to používa. Ventilátory, vôbec sa tu necítite horko. So you don't feel like very hot here. Fans spinning all the time. I feel very good, really. Necíti sa tu horko. Ventilátory sa točia. Možno teraz není najteplejšie obdobie, alebo najteplejšie počasie. Ale teraz svieti slnko vonku. No ja som išiel s tým, že nebude svietiť, ale predpoveď je presne naopak. Do druhej robiť slnko, potom zamračené. Tak som to podľa toho plánoval. Nevyšlo to. So I still got a lot. You see, pretty done. So basically, this one food will be enough, I believe, for everybody. Remember, this is probably not the cheapest place close to the NU Central, but this is Little India, so it can be cheap. Takže toto je v podstate v oblasti Little India. Takže toto miesto môže byť lacné, ale je to blízko Car Central, takže možno nájdete aj lacnejšie.